Hello everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some analysis on Bitcoin. At the moment, Bitcoin actually looks pretty healthy, getting a nice little relief rally today. Again, participating more into that stock market rally that we're seeing across the market here. Nasdaq, Russell 2000, everything seems to be pumping, right? So I was wondering, Bitcoin's not really pumping. What's going on? Is it going to participate? Finally, today, near the end of the day, or midday I should say, it finally got a pretty nice rally from 86 all the way to 90,000. It's about a $4,000, $3,000 move. We could easily see this continue and extend into the $93,000 to $97,000 range. This is probably where you're going to start to see a resistance and supply hit, and we'll determine on our RSI waves if the low is in, right? We'll be able to see if this is going to turn into an impulse, which at the moment it's kind of tough to say. It doesn't really look like it. You know, I could kind of force it if I need to, but I don't like to force trade setups like this. Right? I could make the case like, oh, this is a, this is a 1, and then this is a 2, and now we're in the 3 of 3 moment 4 or 5, and we're starting to impulse. But I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence for that kind of move here. You'd have to see. It just needs to keep going right now. It shouldn't stop. It shouldn't slow down. It needs to keep pumping into the $95,000 region. And if it gets rejected here with no divergence, then you got another 3 swing move, right? Which would imply that this extension is gonna take even longer and could do another WXY and even go lower, right? And continue to extend in multiple 3-wave moves, which we've been seeing, right? We got that rejection here, closed our short a little bit too early, obviously, but hey, that's the way she goes. But right now, at the moment, when we take a look at market cipher, it's actually looking pretty bullish on the smaller time frames, like the 15-minute. You got a lot of green money flow increasing. You got bullish dual band strength index numbers. You got green dots on market cipher B, market cipher A, and on top of that, the daily cycle, the daily time frame is looking really good on the dual band strength index numbers. So you got a lot of bullish numbers coming out here, right? And not only that, you have the cross X indicator backing you up here with a strong buy signal right here, right at the $86,000 levels. So now that you've got that, that nice little buy signal, you should see follow through, right? You should see follow through to higher levels. So that's what we're hoping to see here. We're hoping to see a nice little bounce and rally back up. Whoops. Yeah, and if we can continue, then that's great. If it pulls back a little bit too much, then you're at risk of this either being a flat, right? And if this is a flat, then it's unfortunate because it would really mess things up for the bulls here, right? Because it would extend the wave 2 down once more, and this would turn into some sort of WXY, or sorry, a flat, just basically like a flat like this, and she's gonna go down, right? And if that's the case, then we're still gonna go higher. It's just this rally here is gonna lose. We're gonna lose the whole rally essentially. That's what this would imply, right? But it's not the only possibility out there. There's multiple setups, so I'll just leave this here for now. Given these levels, obviously this is always subject to change. You could always take a look at how I'm charting it, and you can do the charts for yourselves. But this would imply that we're going to head back down to 85,000 to 83,300, and the more bullish scenario is that you keep going straight up into 92 to 97. Right, that's a more bullish setup. This is the more bearish setup, I would say. And it wouldn't surprise me. A little rug pull, liquidity sweep, get everybody out, and trap everyone in their longs here that are FOMOing on Thanksgiving, and tomorrow is a holiday, I believe, right, for the U.S. So that would kind of make sense to me. I was also looking at market cipher, market cipher wave edge to see if there was any new signals. I'm not seeing any new signals at the moment. On the daily, in terms of the weekly, no new signals either. Just the daily and the 3-day. excuse me, sorry, yeah, the daily, the 2-day, sorry, the 3-day, the 2-day, and the daily. Excuse me, I'm like got the hiccups right now, mid video. Yeah, 1 hour time frame, 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute, you're getting a little bit of selling, but nothing too concerning. I mean, like, you're not really getting any reaction from it, so I'm guessing this is some sort of profit taking. They're taking profits here. So if they're taking profits, my guess is that maybe this could extend a little bit more. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it. Then nothing else on the smaller time frames worth watching. It's, you know, you want to remain bullish. You know, in my opinion, the bigger picture, the weekly cycle has broken down. Yes, it's of concern. Could it reclaim it? Of course. You are in a buy area on the larger time frames. The weekly cycle money flow is still there, although it is curling down. It's curving down. The RSI is coming down too, but we've seen this before, right? We've seen the cycles like this before, down, and then it comes back up. Although money flow is much more present in that cycle. I feel like this kind of money flow has been kind of stretched out. It's a longer cycle, right? So it's been a little bit more of a stretch cycle. So we haven't seen as much money flow, and it's been a little bit in and out, I should say. You see the money flow, and then down, and money flow, and then down, and money flow, and then up. So it's got 1, 2, and 3, right? We're gonna get a 4, or is the third time the charm, and we're done. We'll see. We'll see. All right. So that's it for now. If you guys want to get my next trade, just join the Discord. Links in the description. Unfortunately, no Black Friday sales from me, but there are Black Friday sales everywhere else. Have a good day. Peace.